Hey, have you ever tried to draw a coffee cup or something oval? Top looks great, the bottom looks flat as a pancake. In today's video, I'm going to show you a secret how to fix that. Come on.
Okay, look at this. Here's a plastic cup. Now we're dealing with multiple ellipses. This time I am going to use a straight line coming down the center, and this will be a guide. You know, your minor axis is going to fall right down the center of this cup here. This to this, that's the shortest distance. That's the shortest distance of that right there, of that oval. And because all of these ovals line up, because they're all using the same minor axis, look at that. You're going to have one right there, and there's another one on the bottom down here. There's one right there. You see that? So all of these ovals are using the same minor axis. Let's try and draw this. Let's start with the top one there, and that's the width that I'm going to make it. All right, let's try and hit those four. Let's try and hit those 4 points. When you are trying to hit these points, if you keep your eye of where you want the line to go and not where it's at, you will find that you can draw it a little bit smoother. Okay, let's come to the bottom here and draw the bottom part, and this is going to be a little bit wider here. And let's draw this as well. You're trying to hit those points at the same time, trying to get that oval perfectly reflective. This takes practice like anything else. I'm locking my wrist and my fingers, and I'm drawing from my elbow here to get a nice straight line. That nice straight line. Okay, let's come down just about this distance here, just like that. And let's do the same thing from the point, the mark back here. So it's gonna almost like the second mark is gonna be down there. You see that? So it's like this distance is the same as those two distances right there. You see that? If I take the halfway point between those two marks and just kind of go out here and go out there, and let's draw another oval here. All right, so now you can see how that next set of ribs are working. And put another one right below it. Put 3 in mine. They're not perfectly lined up, but this is a good exercise to practice these ovals. Focus on the minor axis to get that to be very reflective.
Want to keep improving your drawing skills? Join our Facebook group. It's a great place to share your work, ask questions, and connect with others who are learning just like you. Click the link right here and be part of a great community. My name's Kurt, and I'm a dad who draws. Thanks for watching.